Happy birthday, Cristel.
We wish you more blessings and happiness with your family. Hope we can see you soon and with our little blessing. Or dalo ka dito sa amin. We love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Cristel.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Oy, ano nga?
Happy birthday. Wish ko sana less stress sa'yo this year. Uwi ka na. Marami tayong pag-usapan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ano pa ba? Ayun, sana ma-enjoy mo yung motherhood. Kahit na talagang nakaka-stress naman talaga, ano? Dagdag pa tayo, isa pa.
Wala kayo dyan.
Ito, isusurrogate nito.
Basta ako, hihiram-hiram lang ako ng mga bata.
Ayun, enjoy ka. Sana makauwi ka ulit. Tapos kita tayo.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Bye! Happy birthday, Cristel! So today, gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. And of course, I wanted to celebrate you. The friendship that we have back in high school pa. So maraming salamat for the friendship. One of the things na naalala ko pagdating sa mga birthdays, alam ko na lagi ka rin punong abala sa mga paghahanda sa mga birthday celebrations, may it be a big celebration or not. But today, let's take a moment and appreciate ang backdrop kasi gusto ko kahit malayo tayo, ma-celebrate talaga siya. So, I created a backdrop for you. Ayan, happy birthday at meron tayong maliit na cake topper. Yun lang, wala tayong cake. Pero, kahit wala tayong cake, of course, ang importante naman is ma-celebrate natin siya at naalala natin ang special day mo. So, gusto ko lang magpasalamat for everything. Ang dami nating kalokohan back in high school. Mas na-appreciate ko yung mga nagiging usapan natin about adulting. We're clueless kung saan patungo yung buhay natin. But one thing is for sure, this friendship would never stop and would continue to flourish. So, gusto ko lang magpasalamat talaga for always being there sa mga pagsisend ng memes na walang sawa, sa mga sensible and mga heartfelt conversations natin. So, I just like to again greet you a happy birthday, and this one's for you. Lagi mong tandaan that we see you, we love you, and we value you. Have a good one! Happy birthday!
Laban, laban, o bawi, bawi. Laban, laban, o bawi, bawi. Mare, mare, lalaban ka ba? Mare, mare, lalaban ka ba? I love you, Mare. I miss you. Mare, happy birthday. I miss you so much. And I wish you all the best, and I wish you all the happiness, the love, and more laughter. And I am forever grateful sa ating friendship, and always. And I hope na magkita din tayo soon. I really miss you. I love you so much, Mare, and I hope you enjoy your birthday. And kumusta sa family mo, kina Ining, ki Ella and Mia.
Hi Cristel, happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo kasama family mo. And ingat lagi. God bless you always. Bye.
Hi Cristel, happy birthday. And sana mag-abot tayo sa Pilipinas para makapagkita naman tayo. Ayan, happy birthday ulit. See you!
Hi Aya! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday din ng Cristel!
Kahit lagi tayong patlangan, ikaw pa rin ang favorite kong kasi KK. Alam mo yan. Thank you dahil lagi kang nandyan for me sa lahat ng bagay, as in. Na-appreciate ko talaga yun. Di ka nagbago kahit matanda na tayo. Yan lang. enjoy your day. And hope to see you soon. Miss na kita. Miss ko na yung gala natin. Bye!
Hi ate, happy birthday. I wish you all the best, good health, and have fun. Enjoy your day. Thanks for everything.
Ate Crystal, I really hope that you have a very good birthday. I wish you the best birthday, more blessings, more health. Hopefully everything you ask for this year comes true, and nothing but the best for you. I hope you really have a really good birthday. Love you.
Hi Dee! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, dude.
We wish you the best in everything.
Thanks for everything.
Thanks for everything.
Always having our back.
Yeah, definitely.
Hope you enjoy your birthday.
Hope you enjoy and hope to see you soon.
Yeah, see you like tomorrow.
We love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Cristel.
Happy birthday, Estel.
Happy birthday ng Estel.
Wishing you more years of good health and good life. Enjoy your day.
Happy
birthday.
Anak, happy birthday. Have fun. Good health.
Hi, Estel. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. We love you.
Happy birthday, Estel. Love you.